Hi, my name is Dr. Dave Worthley. I'm the coordinator of social emotional learning in Medfield and also the director of the RISE Transition Program. Um, in short, the RISE Transition Program was designed to help any Medfield student who's missed a significant amount of school and to help those students get back on track academically, socially, physically, emotionally. It's a program that serves all students, so it's not a regular education or special education program, but we take everybody that needs the help. And these kids that we've helped have had physical ailments, concussions, medical issues, psychiatric complexities, school avoidance, psychiatric hospitalizations, medical hospitalizations. We've had kids that are ELL students new to the area with limited English proficiency. And we work closely with the guidance and the health office to identify students who might be needing our help in the coming days as well. Confidentiality is very important to us, and the privacy is really respected greatly for each family. Each student is unique, and each family dynamic is also unique. So what one family thinks is okay, another family is very much more concerned about. So we try to work with the student and the family to respect that dynamic. Typical length of stay in our program is between 3 days and 8 months. 3 days and 8 weeks, and but we tailor the program to the needs to fit the needs of the student. If some kids come for a period a day, some kids come for full days, sometimes it's a combination of the two. So whatever works for the individual student, depending on where he is, because it's a very different situation if a kid has been out for 6 weeks or if a kid's been out for a week with mono. So we do what we need to do to get the kid back in and not feel overwhelmed. So when we have a student referred to us, I contact the teachers, I ask for all their Google Classroom codes, I ask for them to prioritize the work that they want us to focus on and to let us know what is more important or may not be as important. And then my academic teacher, Meg Danielski, creates a living to-do document that is shared with the parents and the students, and it serves as a guide to let us know what everybody needs to be doing when. When the work gets caught up, we can get that kid back out to a certain class. What we do is we really try hard to take the stress away from having it seem like an overwhelming task. And our main focus is on student well-being, and that includes the academic achievement, but it also involves creating a sense of community and engagement. And these things come from forging an individual relationship with each kid that we have in our program. When a student's ready to get back to class, we'll send him or her back to that class. We generally try to pull students from electives first, and then get them back into their core subjects as quickly as we can, so that they can receive the content and instruction from the classroom teacher. But as we know, if a teenager isn't ready to go to class, they're likely going to benefit very little from being there. Students who have come through the program and completed the process are always welcome to come back and work with us during lunch or reading periods, and they do that often, and which is great, because I think there's a sense of community that's established down here, and kids like to come back in a quiet, safe spot and get caught up, and they like the contact as well. We are in frequent contact with parents, students, and teachers, and counselors, and psychologists, and doctors, and we feel very strongly that getting everybody on the same page is important if the care of the student is going to be the focus. And then a quick nod to Dr. Marsden, Robert Parger, and the rest of the administration and guidance staff. They saw a student need in this district, and they advocated for the students to get the support they need. And this is not a typical situation. This is a very lucky and valuable thing that we have working here. This community is very fortunate to have this brand of leadership as it places the needs of the students before all else. So thanks for listening. That's a little bit of a recap or a guideline of what we do here. Thanks.